There are many commands that you can do with the iMow outside of the automatic ones that it performs. Going into the commands menu. Right now, the iMow is set to automatic mowing. So based on the active times and the schedule for the week, it will automatically go out and cut. If you'd like the iMow to stop cutting, you can switch off automatic mowing by highlighting this icon and clicking the OK button. Switch off automatic mowing. Yes, it has been turned off. Now it's already set for the next function, so if I want to switch automatic mowing back on, I would just hit the OK button. Switch on automatic mowing. Yes. To exit the menu, hit the back button. So one may ask, why would I want to turn off the automatic mowing? If you do have a spot in your yard that tends to flood with more than 1 inch deep of water, it's advantageous to at least turn off the automatic mowing if you know that that large storm is going to come, just to prevent the iMow from going out at all. Okay, yeah, the iMow has a rain sensor, right? So when it rains, it's going to know that it needs to go home and stay there. The challenge is what happens after the rain stops. If that 1 inch deep puddle or a deeper puddle is still there and maybe persists for a day beyond when the rain stops, the iMow's gonna come back out to cut again after the rain stops and the water is dried off of the rain sensor based on your rain setting. If that puddle's still there, there's a chance that that iMow's gonna run into that puddle and you could ruin the iMow. So it's a good habit to go in and turn off that automatic mowing. So we'll do it one more time. Go into commands, arrow over here to the A symbol, and we're going to switch off automatic mowing. Click OK. Yes, and it's off. If you want to return to the menu, click there. We want to get out cutting, so we're going to go back in and we're going to switch it back on. For more great tips, visit imowforyou.com.